How do we find the arithmetic mean of the numbers 1, 2 and 3? We have seen that the mean equals the sum of terms divided by the number of terms. Here, the sum of terms will be 1 plus 2 plus 3, and as there are 3 terms, we divide the sum by 3. This would equal 6 by 3, which equals 2. 2 is the arithmetic mean of these 3 numbers. But what different properties does the mean have? To understand one of the properties, let us try increasing the value of each term by 2. The first term is 1. Adding 2, we get 3. 2 plus 2 is 4. And 3 plus 2 is 5. We just added the number 2 to each term. Now let's try finding the mean of these 3 numbers. The sum of values is 3 plus 4 plus 5, and we divide the sum by 3 as we have 3 terms. That would give us 12 by 3, which is 4. The mean of these 3 numbers is 4. Do you see it? The mean has become 4. When each term was increased by 2, the mean also increased by 2. That's the first property of arithmetic mean. When a particular number is added to each term, the mean also increases by the same value. Here's another example. Consider the numbers 1, 3 and 8. The mean of this set of numbers would be 1 plus 3 plus 8 divided by 3. The sum is 12, and dividing it by 3, we get 4. This time, let's try multiplying each term with 3. 1 multiplied by 3 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. And 8 times 3 is 24. Now let's find the mean of these 3 terms. It would be 3 plus 9 plus 24 divided by 3. Sum of values divided by the number of values. 3 plus 9 is 12, and 12 plus 24 is 36, and 36 by 3 is 12. Guess what? The mean, which was 4, became 12. 4 times 3 is 12. When each term is multiplied by 3, the mean is also multiplied by 3. And the same goes with subtraction or division. Now let's look at one last property of the mean. What is the mean of the numbers 4, 5, 6 and 9? It will be the sum of values divided by the number of values. That will be 24 by 4, which equals 6. The mean of these 4 numbers is 6. Let me ask you a very simple question. What is the deviation of the first term from this mean? It will be 4 minus 6. What will be the deviation of the second term from the mean? Yes, it will be 5 minus 6. Deviation just tells us how far the term is from a particular number. In the same way, deviation of 6 from the mean will be 6 minus 6, and the deviation of 9 from the mean will be 9 minus 6. This property tells us that the sum of the deviations of the terms from the mean will always be 0. Yes, the sum of deviations of each term from the mean will be 0. Let's see if it works out here. 4 minus 6 is minus 2. 5 minus 6 is minus 1. 6 minus 6 is 0. And 9 minus 6 is 3. Adding these, we get a 0.